Hi, welcome to another episode of Tom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, which is my Italian meatloaf. It is very healthy. It's really vegetables and proteins, nothing else. So without further ado, let's go.
This healthy recipe is very easy to make and it makes 6 servings. This manual meat grinder was the best investment I've ever made. It allows me to control fat content of the ground beef. Ingredients include 1 pound of fresh top sirloin or tenderloin. You may substitute that with 98% lean ground beef, 2 large zucchinis, 1 red bell pepper, 1 medium red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of basil leaves, you may replace them with parsley, 1 cup of fat-free plain grated yogurt, and salt and pepper to taste. Since I'm grinding my own beef, preparation will be done in 4 parts. If you bought the store-bought ground beef, preparation will be only in 3 parts. Let's start with the vegetables. Start by peeling the zucchini, cutting off the ends, and weighing it. I recommend weighing it in grams. Shred the zucchini and place it in a glass or ceramic bowl. Do not use plastic. For every 100 grams of zucchini, add 1 gram of salt. Mix the salt and the zucchini very well and knead for 2 minutes. After, let it sit for 10 minutes so the zucchini releases all the water. On to the next vegetables. Dice the bell pepper, shred the onion, mash the garlic in a mortar, and chop the basil or parsley. This next step is only required if you're making your own ground beef. Cut away all the visible fat, cut the beef in 1.5-inch cubes, and then grind the beef in the meat grinder. Now it's time to make the beef dough. In a separate bowl, place the ground beef. Add the onions, peppers, garlic, basil, and the eggs. Take the zucchini and squeeze it very hard to remove all the liquid and add it to the bowl, and mix all ingredients together very well. Now add the pepper and salt to taste, add the grated Parmesan cheese, and knead the beef dough for about 3 minutes until all ingredients are all well mixed together. On to the final part. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in an oven-safe deep dish, add the olive oil and make sure you distribute it along the bottom and the walls of the form. Add the dough to the dish and distribute it evenly. Make sure that all edges are completely covered. Add the yogurt on top and with a brush spread it evenly across the entire beef. Place the bowl in the oven and let it bake for about 40 minutes. When done, let it cool off and divide into 6 servings. And that's it. Just plate the meatloaf and garnish it with a pair of small basil leaves or parsley leaves. You can eat the meatloaf both hot or cold. It's delicious either way, and it goes well with a nice salad.
So what do you think? You're going to give that recipe a try? As you can see, it's very healthy. It's just vegetables and protein. That's it. I like to grind my own beef because that way I have full control of the fat content. So I hope you enjoyed, and until the next time, take care. Bye-bye.